In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly export your data from Typeform, ensuring you can access and analyze your collected responses with ease. This process is quick, straightforward, and requires no prior technical knowledge, making it perfect for anyone looking to extract their valuable data from Typeform. First things first, let's navigate to the Typeform website. Typeform is a versatile tool that allows you to collect data through interactive and user-friendly forms. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting surveys, or any form of data collection, Typeform makes it accessible and engaging for users. Once you're on the Typeform homepage, the next step is to log in to your account. Look for the login button, which is usually prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this will lead you towards accessing your Typeform dashboard, but before we get there, let's talk about the login process. For many users, the easiest way to log in is by using the Continue with Google option. This method links your Typeform account with your Google account, streamlining the login process and offering a layer of convenience. If you prefer to keep your accounts integrated and avoid remembering another password, this option is for you. However, remember, you might need to wait briefly as the authentication process completes. This is a good moment to ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid delays. Now, let's dive into the crux of today's tutorial. After successfully logging in, you'll want to navigate to your specific form from which you intend to export data. If you have multiple forms, locate the one relevant to the data you need. This might be the latest customer feedback form you created or a survey whose results are eagerly awaited. Whatever the case, click on the form to open it. Upon accessing your form, your next destination is the Results section. Here, Typeform cleverly aggregates all the responses your form has garnered, presenting them in an organized and readable manner. However, to make these insights actionable or to further analyze them, exporting becomes essential. Now, to the exporting part, you should see the option to check boxes for the responses you're interested in. This feature is particularly helpful if you're looking for specific entries, or if you need to export a segmented portion of your data. You can check each box manually, or select all if you're interested in the entire dataset. With your responses selected, your attention should shift to the download icon located at the bottom of the page. Clicking on this icon brings you one step closer to having your data in a manageable format right at your fingertips. As you select the download option, you will be presented with a choice: direct download. Selecting this option is the most straightforward way to export your data, avoiding any unnecessary complications or additional steps. Finally, with direct download selected, all that's left to do is click on the download button. At this point, your computer or device will start downloading the exported data file. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the data file, this might take a few moments. It's worth noting that the file typically comes in a format that's easy to access and manipulate, such as CSV, making it compatible with various applications for further analysis or storage. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of exporting data from Typeform from start to finish. This streamlined process not only saves you time, but also ensures that you can quickly move on to analyzing the responses and making informed decisions based on your collected data. Remember, the data you collect through Typeform can provide invaluable insights into your audience, customer base, or research study. By exporting this data, you unlock the potential to delve deeper into the responses, analyze trends, and ultimately leverage this information to drive your initiatives forward. Whether it's enhancing customer satisfaction, tailoring your products or services, or simply understanding your audience better, the data you've just exported serves as a critical tool in your analysis arsenal. I hope this tutorial was helpful and encourages you to make the most out of your Typeform data. Thank you for watching, and happy data analyzing.